So we are now in the city center of Udaipur with my friend.
Yeah.
आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम हारिस है.
मेरा नाम हारिस है.
yeah.
मैं नाम
Rutger.
है.
और हम लोग लस्सी पीने आए हैं.
Lassi.
Yeah.
Well, what's the best lassi you can get in?
This is JJ fruit juices ice cream shakes.
Ah, okay. Persimmon smoothie. What are you going to do?
For the you can sit
Oh, you
here
can
and
sit
they will
here.
serve.
Ah, okay.
They will serve.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
What is the best juice you have? Like local juice?
Usually people they like the mixed one. We have a mix like energy. We put coconut water and in the base, and we use some fruits like apple, pineapple, grape, granite, and plum.
Is that traditional Udaipuri?
No. It is so innovation because here people they'll try something new always.
Ah, okay.
So
Like
in-
tourists or
No, local people.
local people?
Tourists they try, but they don't try new things. They try the running.
Ah,
But
okay.
local people they try the new things.
Oh, okay.
So sometimes when you want to something try new, then you can try energy.
Energy. And this kayu?
Yeah, this is real kaju is a cashew. Cashew shake.
Cashew shake.
This is the cashew.
Oh, cashew nuts.
Cashew nuts.
Oh, really?
So it's
shake.
cashew. You can try cashew with fig. He's having mango smoothie.
He's going mango lassi. Or?
Mango lassi.
For me
Lassi
also
is-
mango lassi. Yeah,
So-
mango lassi.
Okay.
Two mango lassi.
Two mango lassis.
Yeah. You also take mango lassi.
Yeah, mango lassi. It's a
Mango
great
lassi.
lassi.
Is that mango?
Yeah, we have frozen mango
Frozen mango.
because it's not season now.
Not seasoned.
Which fruits we have? We don't have now. We use the frozen.
The frozen one.
Like custard apple,
Yeah.
strawberry, mango, and you can have plum peach,
Okay.
and some fruit like cherries.
Cherry.
We don't have all year, so we use them 6 months. That one 6 months fresh one.
Okay.
Mango de do.
It was 160. Is
Yeah.
that a good price?
Or for a one.
For two total.
I don't know. I've been here for the ones, but if the tastes are good, it's cheap.
It's cheap.
Yeah, if I taste it.
If it
भैया,
tastes good.
एक गिलास पानी लेगा?
3 के 120 बड़ा बनाऊंगा 150.
Yogurt.
Saffron yogurt.
Oh, saffron yogurt.
Yeah.
Well, I've never tried saffron.
No problem, but you will like it.
Yeah?
Yeah, sure.
It's really expensive, right?
Not too much.
Oh, not too much.
शेरा में वो ढक्कन दे दो.
Is saffron good?
Yeah, it's a very good taste. Saffron is a very good taste.
Yeah, but in the Netherlands, saffron is really expensive.
Yeah, saffron is a kesar, and it's I think it's one of the most costliest ingredient you can ever get.
In Kashmir, they grow it.
Yeah.
Only Kashmir.
In Kashmir, we have in India. Because very cold area and they have saffron flowers.
Saffron flowers.
And now they are cheaper because now in Kashmir, conditions are changing. People can go and grow something new and something. Local people can go there.
$18,750. $18,750. Yeah. Yeah, that's a really expensive.
Only mango lassi. Avocado we also have. You can try avocado smoothie tomorrow.
So there's like almonds on top of the mango lassi.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see it.
It's very dry.
Yeah.
So the upper padega.
Achha.
Cheers.
Yeah, bro.
How do you say cheers in Hindi?
We don't do cheers in Hindi.
Oh, you
We
don't
do
do-
in English. Cheers.
Oh, just cheers. Okay.
We say शीशे से शीशा टकराए.
शीशे टकराए.
Yeah. Cheers. शीशे से शीशा टकराए.
शीशे टकराए.
Yeah.
Oh. Really good.
Yeah, it's tasty.
Mmm. So sweet though. This is one of the best drinks you can drink in India. Huh? Saptika? Oh,
Yeah.
photo.
You want a video? If you want, you can.
You're on the video already.
Oh yeah. It's going live?
No, not live. You have TikTok?
Yeah, it's a video. No, TikTok is banned in India. How is the lassi, bro? You say बढ़िया है.
Acha.
Yeah.
Acha.
You say बढ़िया.
बढ़िया.
You can say one thing. Ek number.
Egg number.
Yeah. How is the lassi?
Egg number.
Yeah.
What is egg number?
It's number one.
Egg number.
Yeah,
Number one.
number.
Oh, egg is one.
One. Yeah.
Egg number.
Yeah.
Egg
Cheers?
number.
How you do cheers?
I don't know.
शीशे से शीशा टकरा है.
She took it.
Yeah.
Hindi is so difficult to.
Yeah.
It's quite a cool. Yeah, so many people speak Hindi,
Yeah.
so it's really good to learn some Hindi. Yes, thank
I would have
you.
been paid, yeah, bro.
Huh?
You have paid mine also.
I paid.
Oh. Next time I will play, bro. I was.
You wanted to pay?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can if you want. But I already
But now
paid.
you have paid, but next time. Okay.
Next time, okay.
Yeah. ठीक है राखी.
Dhanyavad.
See you.
Bye bye.
But I'm doing Kanpur see you.
Nice. What is he doing? What is this? What are you making? Milk. Oh, just hot milk. Why it's why this big? Is this traditional?
बड़ा नहीं है.
Bara nahi hai.
नहीं.
Oh. Okay. Acha.
Don't try milk items after this.
Then
Or this-
kai?
Milk items. That item because this is cold and this is hot. You can catch cold.
Oh, that's not good.
Yeah, it's not good.
Okay, so when you drink cold and milk together, you're going to get sick. But let's go.
Yeah.
Wait.